Have you ever wondered what each dashboard indicator and instrument cluster symbol means in your 2023 Audi e-tron GT? In this guide, we'll help you understand these important alerts, ensuring you can interpret them correctly for a safe and smooth driving experience.
Instrument cluster, cluster indicators,
Central indicator light, rear spoiler, safety belt, transmission, high voltage system, electromechanical parking brake, steering, low beam headlights, brake intervention request, laser lights, steering intervention request, distance warning, high voltage battery range, pre-sense, hood, efficiency assist, electrical system, battery and remote control key, rear safety belt, bulb failure indicator, central locking, adaptive light, headlight range control system, light rain sensor, windshield wipers, safety systems, Park Assist Plus, convenience key, brake system, electromechanical parking brake, all-wheel drive, suspension control, electronic stabilization control, anti-lock braking system, adaptive cruise assist, side assist, exit warning, emergency call function, parking aids, rear cross traffic assist, park assist, drive system, vehicle sound, hold assist, electrical system, washer fluid level, tire pressure, low beam headlights, parking lights, turn signals, efficiency assist, high beam headlights, high beam assistant, child safety lock, convenience key, cruise control system, speed warning system, camera-based traffic sign recognition, park assist, adaptive cruise assist, air suspension, intersection assist, maneuver assist, emergency assist, lane departure warning, door lock.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.